representante especial Greater Sunrise Australia apresenta relatório do primeiro-ministro Sanana Guzmão quando o projeto Dada Kadoras mai Timor-Leste e a Costa Sul suai no Betano. Quarta-feira, primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Guzmão halau encontro representante especial governo Austrália ba projeto Greater Sunrise Hon Steph Briggs e a Palácio Governo dele. Steph Briggs informa encontro o chefe governo atu relata quando a visita foi em Lalais ba área Costa do Sul e a suai no Betano onde hare Progresu projeto Dada Kadoras mai Timor-Leste No iha encontro sirhalo discussão nebe produtivo tebes no mos informa ba chefe governo quando ba atu hei resultado husi conceito estudo nebe dadang lau hela.
With the Prime Minister Janana Guzmão to report to him on my visit to the South Coast and the vision for Greater Sunrise on the South Coast more broadly, and to talk about the project and Greater Sunrise. The discussion went very well and very productive. Of course, as I indicated to Prime Minister Guzmão, we have to wait on the concept select study, which is being undertaken by the consortium, which will report later this year. But in the meantime, we're getting prepared and ready for that study and to ensure that we can get the project up by the end of the year. I observed a great vision for development of the South Coast in Timor-Leste. The connection between the airport, a new city which would be developed, a potential site for the LNG plant, and how they all connected up. And it would be a revitalisation of the South Coast. And so that's what I saw, and I saw that as an opportunity going forward. Of course, we have to wait until the end of the year before any decision is made on where the LNG plant would be, but nevertheless it's good to get an appreciation of what Timor-Leste's vision is for this project.
Usi Sr. Steve Braggs ni observação ni hare visão de actives usi projeto sa nabe malaura daw ki hare Costa Sul nian ni har ni nota ya nabe conexão dia usi aeroporto suai ba cidade Seracelo ya hare Costa do Sul nian idene oportunidade de actives ba sira hare o insa se bisa muito ba OMB hane sa mo mencionona ita se hei musi resultado conceito estudo nebe laura daw nela.
The concept select study undertaken by Wood should be completed by November this year.
Ia visão de actebes husi projeto hirak nebe lauda daung ia area Costa do Sul niang no niamos nota ia neba ia conexão dia husi aeroporto suai ba cidade Siraseluk ia area Costa do Sul niang. Entretanto, representante especial governo Austrália ba projeto Greater Sunrise acompanha o ministro petróleo e no recursos minerais halou na visita direita ba projeto refere e a área Costa do Sul e a loron sanolo recém lima fulan julho tinha rua ronolo recém hat. Reportagem F. Fanha de Carvalho, televisão Timor Post.